Blessed, blessed, blessed. Once again, this is Star Seed. Yeah, the mix up and things. See? Big up yourself. Yeah. So today we're going to talk about how you need to approach woman. You understand what I say? I have enough man out the road no know to approach woman. See? And by the first sentence, them close the case. You understand what I say? And you don't want a case closed upon you. You need to leave it open. Hear me I say now. What me notice? Enough man, me mean enough man. When them look at a girl, the first thing them go them approach, them start tell the girl, yo, a them work I me do and a them money I me make and a this and a that and a big house me live. Me not have nobody in my life, me alone, because me not want nobody and thing and blase, blase. And me want somebody with a settle down with and have a good life and things right. Saying things right. Hear me I tell you, at the first mistake that you make. Because you have set up yourself. You have set up yourself, my youth. You have set up yourself for conviction. Here why. If a money she interested in her, whatever you say, it a go build fear vibes, not your vibes. So she a go interested. You understand what I say? Because she hear about money, car, big house. You understand what I say? Here what I go on now. You see, if I pay a lie, you tell her, it a go come back and catch you. Big man, it a go come right back and catch you. So here what I go on now. When you approach a woman, saying the whole interest not supposed to be about you. Saying supposed to be about her. When you approach a woman, saying, alright, so you go, you buck a woman. And you tell her, you start a conversation by picking a conversation. Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. How are you doing today? Yeah, she might say fine and thing. And you start pick a conversation from there. Show your interest in her. Don't make the interest be in you because you're going to feel right away. You're going to feel right away. Remember me tell you that. You have to make it be about her. Show her your interest in her. You understand what I say? Listen to her when she talk. Or when she talk and the things that when she say not relevant to you, listen. But you're a clean listener. You understand what I say? That's how you do it. Because enough we get up, we go out there and go tell a woman one bag of lie. And that one bag of lie, they turn around and come back and lick us. So when I deal with, you can't do that. You have to approach the thing on the right way, on the right level. Remember, so everybody I know you see me now. You catch Quaco, lucky for you. You understand what I say? But you can't catch everybody either. You understand? And not everybody you feel say you can get. You understand me I say? Your people them, where you have to deal with and your type of people, them out there in the world. Some man feel say they can get every girl and so the thing work. Remember me tell us I know so the thing work. A matter of fact, here what I want. If enough man they broke, they wouldn't have no girl. Me say if enough man they broke, they wouldn't have no girl. And money make enough man have girl. Remember me tell you that. Yeah. Seriously. And you have the man them out there when they have $1 in their pocket. Not even $1 and they are the most girl. Girl east, west, north, south, up and down. Everywhere. You hear me I tell you? That style and tactics. You understand what I deal with. But that no means if you go there growing up and down and want the whole world. I want every girl you see. You understand what I say? You have to keep the thing and balance and know say, yo, you have a good woman or you find a nice woman, you just work with the vibes. This is what I say, I saw the thing work out. You understand what I say? But that's I try to show you some things. You understand what I say? Because you don't need to use material things to try to put that to a woman to get a woman. You understand what I say? Because of the wrong step that. It's what I say that relationship not go strong. It only strong because you have to make sure so you have to make sure you keep car, house, money and all of these things. And guess what I want? If the woman no love you and the woman no care for you, guess what I want? She will take your money and she will spend it on another man. She will take your money and go spend it on another man. What you go do? What you go say? Woman is very secretive. So you have to be on them best side. Keep a woman on them best side because guess what I want? Woman will sneak right underneath your nose and you don't know. And you can't find out. You understand what I say? So you have to keep a woman close to you as a friend, in a relationship, like a family. You understand what I say? You have to keep the thing natural. You see what I say? You have to sweet her up, make her nice, no make her think about nobody else, make her think about you. How you do that? Passionate. How you do that? Love. How you do that? Excitement and extra. You understand what I say? I saw the program work. You understand? I have enough man get up every day and yo, this I want and that I want and this a girl I go get. And guess what I go on? The whole of them money just a waste way. Money a run down. Because girl just a take their money and say, yeah, what I go on and call Boopsy and say, Boopsy come check me later, I got some dough for you. You understand? And you follow, she got flow for you. Remember me tell you, I saw the vibes go. You see what I say? So the vibes go. And a vice versa too. Woman, man will take your money and laugh in your face. You understand what I say? Because no for I saw no stay. You use things look man. Yeah, you use things look man. Me no business with nobody, but me just say, if you want a real relationship, we stand firm and stand strong, be real. Just be real with yourself. Just be natural with yourself. Matter of fact, maybe the naturality where you hide and I give her the fake, maybe that naturality she a look for. You understand what I say? And because you give her the fake, you run her way. But you should have give her the natural. Maybe that naturality she a look for. You understand what I say? You have to just be you, be yourself. Stop being a pretender. Don't act. You understand what I say? Stay firm, stay strong. I know nothing if she say, boy, she can't deal with you. I know nothing, move along. Try again. A whole heap of woman in the world. More woman than man. You understand what I say? So, you have to get the thing together. You know what I mean? And just watch a program. I just saw the thing set up. So, I say, big up yourself again, the Starseed once again from Yardy Mix Up. Blessed.